Why do we live? What helps us live? What gives us life? Cells are the smallest unit in this world providing life, or to be more specific, stem cells. I'm Barry Chen, your host, and today we'll be talking about stem cells. Stem cells are eukaryotic cells that help create other specialized cells that the body requires. It is very imperative to know what a stem cell is and its purpose. A stem cell has many resemblances of a functioning factory. So to help explain all of this, we will be comparing a stem cell to a functioning factory. So let's get started. All eukaryotic cells have multiple components in common, such as the nucleus. The nucleus is the brain or the control center of the cell, and it contains information in the form of DNA and RNA. The way that this compares to a factory is a manager giving orders to its workers in his or her office.
Don't bring in that new batch of product! I have a family to feed, and I don't want the mafia putting those horse heads in my bed. Dry cleaning is very expensive.
Yeah, sure, mate.
As you can see, the nucleus is giving orders on what to do to other components of the cell. This manager and worker interaction represents the interaction of nucleus and other components. The manager represents the nucleus, giving out instructions to other components. The stem cell also has the mitochondria in common with other cells. The mitochondria is what provides power to the cell, and it can be considered as the powerhouse or the fuel house.
Randall, why are these power cells still sitting here? I told you how it works. All you have to do is put it onto the conveyor belt. No wonder why your parents disowned you.
Good thing I put a bomb in his car.
The power cells being transported onto the conveyor belt and it being transferred around the factory to supply power represents the works of the mitochondria. Another type of organelle that stem cells have in common with other animal cells are liposomes. Liposomes are what get rid of waste in a stem cell. This can be considered like sort of a incinerator of the cell.
Johnny, speed it up. We can't let these illegal tapes be seen by the mob. Hurry up. Faster, faster.
Good thing I kept some of these tapes. The mafia are really gonna want to see these.
In this scenario, the illegal tapes represent the waste. The incinerator represents the liposomes since it is destroying and getting rid of the tapes or waste. Another common organelle is the Golgi body. The Golgi body is what sends proteins throughout the cell, and it can be considered the delivery man. The last organelle is the ribosome. The ribosome is a structure that consists of RNA, which are instructions for constructing proteins. In this scenario, the instructions represent the ribosomes. Now those are just a few components that stem cells have in common with other animal cells. The unique aspect of stem cells is what they primarily do. Stem cells help create other cells by cloning itself and transforming those cells into specialized cells. So what helps the stem cell do that? Telomerase. Telomerase is made outside the nucleus in the endoplasmic reticulum, and when stem cells clone themselves, it protects the end of a linear chromosome so that genes are prevented from being deleted. When genes are deleted, things like aging do occur.
We're about to make a new site for downtown. I need you to get started on that. Don't ask for any help. I'll be in my office binge watching Stranger Things.
The materials in these tanks represent the telomerase which will be used to make the new factory. So to summarize, stem cells are incredibly important to human life, and this just helps show what they truly are. We hope this real-life adaptation of a cell-to factory helped you better understand what stem cells are. Until next time, I'm Barry Chen, your host, and thank you for watching.